Alright, today we're going to learn about solving for a system of equations by using the substitution method. So, our main goal here is to get a coordinate point, an x, and a y. And there's a few different ways of doing it. You can do it by graphing, you can do it by substitution or elimination. Today we're just going to talk about substitution. So, real simple. Say you're going out and pitching the first inning of a game, and you've given up 5 runs, and you haven't recorded an out. All we're gonna do is sub you out. No hard feelings. You're gone. Same thing for my quarterbacks. First half, you throw them 4 picks, 0 touchdowns. It's problematic. So at halftime, we're gonna sub you out. So keeping that in mind, for this problem right here, real simple, we use our substitution method when we already have a equation already solved. So y already equals -3. So technically over here, we can already put, I'll use this color, -3. So half the battle is already done with this. But now this is where the substitution comes into work, because we are substituting this y into this y and replacing the whole thing. So it's easier if I just show you. So we're going to write this out again, -3x minus 5, but since we're substituting this y for this y and y equals -3, instead of putting y again, we're replacing it with -3. So parenthesis -3 equals 6. So now, once that is done, we can solve. So once you get to this, you can just move left to right, 3x, don't do anything there. So -5 times -3 is going to be +15 equals 6. Okay, when we're trying to get x by itself, so -15, -15, draw a line, -3x equals -9. -15 and 6, okay, combine them, take the sign of the bigger, subtract and take the sign of the bigger number, which is negative, so -9, okay, divide by -3, divide by -3, x equals +3. So now we have our x. All we have to do now is have this x, plug it in right here, and then if we want to graph this, oh, that's bad. I'm going to give you guys another try. Okay, if we want to graph this, all we do is move it over 1, 2, 3, and then we're going down 3, 1, 2, 3, and our point would be right there. All right, we're going to hit another quick example of substitution. So again, all we're doing is substituting. You're having a bad game, coach, no hard feelings, get you out, substitute in. So we substitute when we know the value of an equation. So we know y equals -8. So up here, we have x and y. We know y is already -8. Okay, so now we're trying to solve for x. So when we do that, we plug in y equals -8, so that's going right there. So rewrite this problem. We got -8 equals -2x minus 12. Okay, we try to get x by itself, so we add the 12 over, okay, we have opposite, we have positive and a negative. Okay, when you have positive and negative, all you do is subtract and take the sign of the bigger number. So 12 minus 8 is 4. Take the sign of the bigger number, which is 12, which is positive. So it would be 4 equals, drop that down, -2x. Okay, divide by -2x divided by -2x equals 4 divided by -2 is -2. So that is our point or plot, or where we're going to plot our point. Okay, go over 2, 1, 2, -2, go down 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it'll be somewhere around there. All right, we're gonna hit these two real fast, just more practice for us. So we have y equals 2x and then 6x plus 7y equals 20. So we're gonna substitute, that's all we're doing right now. Substitute this y, and this y, and that new y is gonna be 2x. So to rewrite it, we got 6x plus 7. Okay, instead of 7y, we're substituting this, so now it's 2x equals 20. I might run out of room here, but let's try it. So we can't do anything with this 6x, so we rewrite it again. Plus, okay, 7 times 2x is 14x equals 20. Okay, combined the x's because they're on the same side as the equal sign. 20x equals 20, divide by 20x, divide by 20, x equals 1. Okay, so our x now, where should I do it? We'll do it right here. Okay, our x is 1. Our y is not 2 or 2x, okay, because we have to plug this. We can really plug it into either one, but obviously we want to plug it into the easier one. So when we plug in this x right here for 2x, so now it's just 2, and we plug that 1 up for this x, getting confusing, okay? 2 times 1 is 1. Oh wow, pause. 2 times 1 is 2. Here we go, blooper reel. So our new coordinate plane or new point is 1, 2, somewhere around there. Alright, so this one's going to be a little bit different because we don't have an equation that's already solved. Like this one's y equals 2x. We have to do a little work right here on the bottom. Don't worry about the top one. What we're going to do is get our y, so divide by 4y, divide by 4, okay, y now equals 5. So just an extra step we had to do. Now it's the same one, same problem as this one over here. We'll plug in this y equals, this whole thing equals that. So y equals 5, grab a different pen. Y equals 5, so now we're plugging that 5 right there for y. So we'll rewrite a new problem. We got 7x plus 3, well, y equals 5, so that y is not y anymore, it's 5, equals 22. Okay, we'll solve it. 7x plus 15 equals 22. Get x by itself, minus 15, draw it out again, 7x equals, subtract, that's 7, divide by 7x, divided by 7x, x equals 1. So now we got 1, 5 for a new point.